Kayak fishing has exploded in popularity in the last decade, which has led to an explosion of fishing kayak makers and options for the angling community. However, figuring out where to look or what kayak to buy for fishing can be a bit daunting. Fishing kayaks offer anglers the best of the boating world without significant drawbacks. In this video, we will recommend you the 7 best fishing kayaks. We created this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. So, you can easily decide which is best for you. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. Number 7. Intex Excursion Pro Kayak Series. The Intex Excursion Pro Kayak Series is built from the rigid laminate PVC with a polyester core, and it's designed to serve you and your friends' fishing needs with zero compromises. The construction of this inflatable fishing kayak is innovative. The seat boosters are removable, the back and footrests are adjustable, and the drain plugs are well integrated into the kayak. Its directional skeg, high output pump, and pressure gauge are there too. Another perk of this watercraft is the versatile mounting bracket that can attach GPS systems, swivel fishing rod holders, and fish finders. It can also be adjusted to include more accessories if needed. There's a storage space in the bow and stern that features stainless steel D-rings, the exact reason you can catch big fish and have enough room to rest your feet. And speaking of storage, deflate and easily pack this kayak away during the winter. Number 6. Pelican SitOnTop Kayak. The Pelican SitOnTop Kayak is designed for calm and slow bodies of water, providing excellent stability and tracking that allows long-distance paddling. It has a multi-chine flat-bottom hull, ensuring the stability needed when casting lines and reeling in fish. The best way to clean your kayak is using a mixture of mild soap and warm water. It comes equipped with the ExoPack, a removable storage compartment that fits perfectly into the tank well. The under 10 feet length and the 44 pounds of weight mean you won't have any issues transporting and storing the kayak without the help of others. It is essential for those who prefer fishing in solitude. With molded carrying handles, accessory eyelets, paddle holders, and rod tie-downs, you're guaranteed everything you need for a productive day out in the open water. Number 5. Sevylor Coleman 2-Person Fishing Kayak. The Sevylor Coleman 2-Person Fishing Kayak comes with 18-gauge PVC, a thick tarpaulin bottom, and a tough nylon cover. This kayak is durable enough to get you to your favorite out-of-the-way fishing hole. The multiple air chambers will help you get back to shore. The adjustable seats will keep you paddling the whole trip comfortably. This blend of rigid materials makes the kayak durable enough to get you through the ride, even if one of the air chambers develops a hole. But if you want to move more efficiently, you can always add the Sevylor trolling motor and store your paddles in the convenient holders. The Berkeley Quick-Set rod holders let you adjust your pole angle for the ultimate hands-free fishing experience. With hands-free, it's easier to take care of your gear, which stores nicely in the mesh pockets or attached to D-rings. Number 4. Wilderness Systems SitOnTop Fishing Kayak. The Wilderness Systems SitOnTop Fishing Kayak is what you need. It's a monster that can carry 400 pounds, yet the compact design allows you to maneuver the boat on and off the water while offering you a stable foundation to fish from. Starting with the rubber-ready design that has a rocker shape for efficient navigation and ending with a flex pod removable console for the accommodation of electronics or motor drive propulsion, there's nothing this kayak is short of. The boat's construction features an AirPro Max seat with a quick-release buckle for security and adjustable Keepers XL foot braces for additional support. Both are designed to help you transport your catch and keep the vessel as fresh-looking as possible. In addition, it has a new quick-release cam lever that allows the AirPro Max seat to be adjusted fore/aft on the fly and much more. Number 3. Perception Kayaks Outlaw 11.5 Fishing Kayak. The Perception Kayaks Outlaw 11.5 Fishing Kayak is a new generation of water equipment providing fishermen with all they need to catch a good catch. At 11 feet 6 inches foot long, it allows you to glide through the water comfortably without ever feeling rushed or unstable. The removable Pro seat features a comfortable mesh seating area and is raised 5 inches above the deck height. It also folds away for storage, allowing for more storage and room for standing. The boat features a wide open deck, an elevated seat, and an expansive standing area. This intelligent combination makes you forget the time and fully immerse yourself in the activity. Outlaw integrates 2 double-barrel rod holders, a 35L cooler, and self-draining scupper holes for mountable equipment like motors or fish finders. These contribute to a comfortable ride with zero chances of being ruined by a crack in the boat. Number 2. Pelican Maxim 100X Recreational Kayak. The Pelican Maxim 100X Recreational Kayak is a well-performing sit-in fishing kayak that has the potential to become your go-to for the upcoming summer season. It incorporates every feature for worry-free fishing that will leave you craving more. There's also a drain plug for avoiding water infiltration and a padded seat cushion for long hours of fishing under the sun. Storage space is abundant too. The mesh deck cover allows you to store all your belongings in one place conveniently. Whether it be a dry bag, a stash of snacks, or a rain jacket, rest assured there's enough space for it all. Made from the durable Ramex, the exceptionally high-density and compact-resistant polyethylene material praised by many fishermen, the kayak is built to last. Even if you're planning on using it once in a blue moon, it gives you peace of mind knowing that your watercraft will perform just as well the next time you take it for a ride. Number 1. Lifetime Tamarak Angler 100 Fishing Kayak. The Lifetime Tamarak Angler 100 Fishing Kayak is your best bet if you're not willing to spend a fortune on a piece of water equipment. The no-frills characteristics of the vessel make it a simple yet reliable companion for every fishing trip you take. Catch fish without breaking the bank. Tamarak has a 10 feet length that hits the sweet spot of being spacious yet easy to maneuver. Add the 52 pounds of weight to the mix, and you've got a relatively lightweight boat that allows you to transport it on your own. You can also check off 2 mount rod holders, chine rails, and adjustable footrests, all designed to make your fishing session as productive as possible. And if you're not convinced whether Tamarak is worth the price, Lifetime offers a 5-year limited warranty. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.